First we'll create our conveyor platform. We'll use a square sprite and adjust it to size. Add two box collider 2Ds. One of these we will make is trigger. And adjust its offset so the player game object can trigger it. Now we can create a new C# script. I'll call it conveyor. Load up Visual Studios. We won't need start or update. Or these headers either. We'll need a float for move speed. I'll set it to 2.5. Also a bool of a direction. I'll make it a serialized field so it can be changed in the inspector. Now we'll need an onTrigger event. We'll get our move direction using our bool. And add our desired speed. We'll multiply by time.delta time to make the movement frame rate independent. Then apply this to our player game object. Actually, I'll use onTrigger stay 2D rather than onTrigger enter. We'll save the script and add it to our conveyor belt game object. Uncheck the bool and the player should move left along the conveyor belt. Or leave it on and the player should move to the right.